Hi, friends. This week we're going to be getting on literacy footprints and reading a really fun nonfiction story. Nonfiction means that it's true, it's real. We're going to be learning real information. Let's do our book introduction with the story The Rainforest.
Hello, readers. Today's book is The Rainforest. This is a nonfiction book that's going to give us some information about what kinds of animals and plants we might see in a rainforest. This book is written by me, Michelle Dufresne. Let's take a look at it before you start to read. So you can see the rainforest. Lots of green things. And you can see vines. There's lots of vines in the rainforest. And beautiful birds. And do you know what this is? What kind of plant? We call this a fern. Oh, fun looking frogs in the rainforest, huh? And monkeys. What can you see in this rainforest? Lots of interesting animals, huh? Let's read this part with me. What can you see? Take a good look at that word you. We're going to be learning that later. So what can you see? Well, I see all kinds of interesting animals. On the very last page, we have a glossary with some of the things that were in the book. So we have bird, fern, frog, monkey, and vine. All right, go ahead and start reading. You can pause the video, and when you're ready, come on back. Let's read the book together. The Rainforest. Look at the rainforest. And I'm just going to read you this caption here because it's pretty interesting. The tropical rainforest is a forest of trees in a tropical region around the equator. The climate is almost always hot and wet. It rains a lot in the rainforest. Okay, let's read this page together. Look at the vines. The vines are in the rainforest. And I'll read you this caption. As it grows, a vine sends roots down to the forest floor. The roots spread and put branches out that twine around the host tree. After many years, the host tree dies. The dead tree rots away and leaves a hollow network of stems. Let's read this page together. Look at the bird. The bird is in the rainforest. Are you wondering what kind of bird this is? I'm going to read you the caption. Here is a blue and gold macaw. Macaws are colorful parrots that live in the rainforest. They are an endangered bird due to the shrinking of rainforests and the illegal trapping of the birds. So endangered means they're in danger of no longer being around. And that's because the rainforest is being cut down and people are trapping the birds probably to sell. All right, let's read this page together. Look at the ferns. The ferns are in the rainforest. Look at the frog. The frog is in the rainforest. Are you wondering what kind of frog this is? I'll read you the caption. This is a red-eyed tree frog. The frog's bright coloring is a defense mechanism against predators. When a predator swoops down, the frog opens its bright red eyes and frightens the predator. Imagine having big red eyes to keep enemies away. Read this with me. Look at the monkey. The monkey is in the rainforest. And this caption says, "This small white-faced monkey eats fruit and insects. It is not afraid of humans and won't hesitate to hiss or even throw things at people." Let's read the last page together. Look at the rainforest. What can you see? Let's really make that sound like a question. You see how there's a question mark at the end? We want to make it sound like a question. What can you see? Now let's just go back to this page. And what if you weren't sure what this was? Can you make the first sound and look at the picture like this? Looking at the picture and I'm thinking it might be a monkey. And I reread, look at the, I make the first sound, and that helps me figure out the word is monkey. Thanks for reading with me.
Great job, friends.